My dear child, get ready for the incredibly wonderful things that are coming your way on their way to you, because you haven't seen all of my goodness yet. God has seen your faith and patience, and you have stayed strong and you stuck to my lessons and believed what I said. Now it's time for your joy to be whole as you drink deeply from the river of my love. Through your faith, have patience. I'm ready to keep every promise I made to you. Get ready to receive the benefits that are due to you through faith, and know that my grace and favor will be with you. Follow you no matter what happens. I will always be by your side. I'm always giving you good things, which is why I want you to trust me. I'm going to do amazing things in your life today, so give it your all. You had no idea that I would open up new doors for you and make your life full of miracles. I will do amazing things for your family. Don't worry about it. Fear not the new things that are coming your way. I will be with you. Remember that I am going ahead of you like a big strong giant, clearing your way and making you rich. Before you go today, I want you to keep these words close to your heart. Write them down and remember that I will bless you and your family greatly. Everything you do, everything you come and go, and even the ground you walk on will be blessed. No one or nothing will be able to stop what I am, and I will carry my gift. Everything you've asked me to do and everything you've thought of will come true in your life to come. True, not because of what you did, but because of I love you so much. Do not hold any questions. Instead, keep your heart wide open and receive all the I have many good things in store for you. Remember that I always want the best for you. I made you in your mother's belly, called you my child, and gave you to her as your father. I am very aware of your wants and am ready to meet them. Shower you with plenty of wealth and success. But I urge you not to. Don't give up or get tired of your determination. Keep praying and crying out to me, and I'll always answer when my words come in, then not as late but as just right on time. My dear children, don't give up hope or don't worry about what the future holds. Everything has its time. Everything you ask for in prayer will come true at the right time. Focus on following my word. Keep the faith and I'll take care of you, your family, and everyone you love. Ones, open your eyes and your heart, because I have prepared a bounty for you now en route. The benefits that are on their way are greater than your wildest dreams, imaginations. Trust me when I say that your dreams are about to come true. In fact, my blessings will flow into your life like a river flows without stopping. Feel free to take risks and know that every step you take is a step closer to getting them. Today, a heart filled with joy, shouts of victory and happiness. Free yourself from loads that aren't yours to carry and all kinds of limits. Come and have fun and dance in the water of my love, where you'll find real freedom to feel better. Remember that I am the God of the impossible. If something seems out of reach, I can make it happen. I can give you unlimited grace as you watch doors open that you didn't expect open, and as I show you unplanned chances that will take you to realms of deep faith and glory. Move, keep going, my child. Don't forget that everything that happens to you has a reason. You learn more about the huge amount of promise that's inside you. Keep your faith and your eyes on me. No matter what, I'll be there for you, encouraging you. And open your heart wide and reach your hands out toward the thank heavens. I'm ready to bless you with all the best things there are. There is no one or anything that can stop this, because it is my true will. Don't stop, keep going. This is a season of amazing wins. Despite the chaos you see and the trouble you're in, now is the time to rise. Stay focused and don't look down. Back up and keep moving forward with confidence while holding my hand and believing wholeheartedly and firmly adhering to my word. Remember that even as you walk through dangerous slopes, I'm with you. I am always there for you. I am your Father, your Creator, your friend, your shield for safety and your constant help. It is my deepest wish to help you, because I enjoy blessing you, and I will always be with you. Never take away my presence or my loyalty. My children, come here. Bring your petitions to my altar, and trust me with all of your wants and worries. I promise that I will always have the strength within me to move forward, and through me you will receive many gifts that will ensure your journey goes well. Don't be afraid of resistance, or if you are worried about bad news that is meant to disturb your peace. I know there may be worries that weigh on you, problems that need to be solved, but don't worry. There is nothing I can't handle. Don't run away. Threats from enemies or scary medical diagnoses that are meant to stop your dreams, and know that my life and your well-being are safe. An important part of my plans. Always remember that your future looks bright and safe. Value the words I say to you today. Hold on to what I teach you and trust them completely, because I am committed to keeping every promise I made to you. Even if I messed up in the past, or I'm here to forgive your mistakes, and I want to clean you up with my saving love, freeing you from the guilt and regret that are getting in the way of your progress today. I want to heal you, to fix your wounds and bring back your joy, making you whole and happy and richly blessed. My child, trust me. Keep your trust in my word. Because I'm here to help you succeed in everything you do. I will strengthen you so that I will lead you to a way of success and wealth, so no challenge can stop you. In a place where nothing can stop you. Every step you take will bring you closer to the life I have carefully planned for you. I will lead you along a path that is bright with that light and full of hope and opportunities, where my gifts will flow without stopping like a strong river. Don't think about each day. Every day is a new chance to start over, and every morning brings a new overflow of my love. Today is the beginning of your ascent. Equipped with new vigor, you will be able to handle any problem, because my strong hand is with you at all times. Be brave, my child. Every step you take toward your goals is a leap. Grace, when you face challenges, see them as opportunities to grow stronger and grow your faith. The mountains in front of you are just a backdrop for the wonder I'm about to perform coming your way. Triumph, your tears of prayer will become blessings in the future. Never forget that you are my beloved child, full of endless possibilities, and that I am here to guide you to safe shores and calm any storms life may throw at you. Keep your head up and look skyward. The stars are aligned to fulfill your dreams, and my guardian angels are working tirelessly to help you seize opportunities and form relationships that will enable you to fulfill your destiny. Hold your head high, stay steadfast in your faith, and know that I am with you every step of the way. This journey may be filled with challenges and difficult times, but it is also full of hope, peace, and the realization of every dream I have given you. March forward, my child, this is your time. As you move forward, share your gifts with others. Let your life be a light that shows the way to wealth and success. Enormous successes don't allow anyone stop you from achieving your goals, because you were intended to be great before you were even born. I carefully planned every aspect of your life to ensure that you would live up to the expectations I had for you from the beginning. I gave you unique abilities and skills, even though you haven't always recognized them. I have purposefully placed people in your path who have assisted you in developing these gifts in both happy and sad times. It may seem like things are not going the way you want them to, but know that I am here to support and guide you in everything you do. I want you to rise from every setback, to find strength in your shortcomings, and to pursue your goals with bravery and determination. I have been the PR person in charge of organizing your events that help people learn and grow. Sometimes you may feel depressed or alone, thinking that all your hard work has been in vain. But know this, no matter what you're going through, I will always be there to listen to you and guide your meaningful steps. I assure you that the benefits will outweigh the trouble if you trust me enough to share your hopes and dreams with me, because I know what's best for you. The trials you face may not always make sense, but they all contribute to your growth and upholding the promises I made to you. I know that no matter what, nothing can change the fact that you are my beloved child, and that my love for you is profound and transcends human comprehension. My plans for you are boundless and will never change because I have already planned them to bring you prosperity. I have surrounded you with opportunities and sent angels in human form to assist you. These relationships with friends, mentors, and even casual acquaintances should inspire you and are crucial to my larger plan because they are what will help you reach the fate I have crafted for you. Accept that they are in your life and act accordingly. Ask for advice from the many wise people in your life, so your path is not a chance encounter. See the beauty that already exists inside yourself. You are valuable because you were created in my likeness and possess a divine spark that enhances all of your achievements. Give yourself time when you're struggling. Remember to celebrate all of your victories, no matter how tiny. Being happy every day is a priceless gift. Take pride in what you have accomplished, be kind to yourself, and keep in mind that challenges frequently result in growth as you navigate life's journey. Keep your mind and heart open to new opportunities and trust that I will lead you, perhaps not always where you want to go, but where I promise I will. I truly want you to be free and happy and to succeed in every aspect of your life through all of life's twists and turns. I want you to have a fresh start full of possibilities and guided by my presence. Remind yourself that I am always with you, loving and supporting you with an unending love. The voyage can be difficult to plan. There will be moments when you feel resilient and up to the challenge, but other times the weight of everything weighs heavily on you, and your ability to love seems to wane like mist in the wind. I know how you feel because I see the wars you fight every day. You may fight alone, but I'm here to tell you that you're not. If it seems like darkness is all around you, know that my light is always with you to guide you with every step you take. Fear tries to get into your heart by telling you lies. Sometimes you think that the road ahead is telling you that you're alone. I'm not sure what to say next, but I want you to know that since the beginning of time I've been with you, and will stay with you until the end of the day. Even on days when fear tries to stop you, remember that I am holding your hand and that I am with you. Do not be afraid. One who keeps you going makes you stronger and leads you through the worst times. Whether nothing can take you away from my love presence. You might be thinking why things have been so hard. The path has been so steep and deep, and the stones have been so sharp. These are natural questions, and I can hear them. But I want you to know that every problem, every struggle and every tear has a bigger picture. You might not understand the point right now, but I am making a plan and a way. I have your back even if the steps are still cloudy with doubt. Trust me, even when it seems like everything is going against you and the world is falling apart, but trust that